Okay, so we started reading this book, Henry and Mudge, the first book. And we figured out that this is Henry, and we think that this will be Mudge, although we haven't met that dog yet. So what we did yesterday, April 21, we took a look at the table of contents, and we noticed chapter 1 is called Henry, the boy. Chapter 2 is called Mudge, the dog. Chapter 3 is called Henry. Chapter 4 is called Mudge. Chapter 5 is called Mudge. And then chapter 6 is called Henry again. And the last chapter, chapter 7, is called Henry and Mudge. Now, I've mentioned before that sometimes you can get a few hints or clues about the book by looking at the table of contents. And we think that these different chapters will be about Henry or Mudge. And this last chapter means that they will come together, Henry and Mudge. Okay, so this is chapter 1, Henry. This is Henry, and this is a thought bubble. This is what he's thinking. And we agree that this looks like a kid playing baseball. Henry had no brothers and no sisters. I want a brother, he told his parents. Sorry, they said. Henry had no friends on his street. I want to live on a different street, he told his parents. Sorry, they said. Henry had no pets at home. I want to have a dog, he told his parents. Sorry, they almost said. So they didn't say sorry. I want to have a dog, he told his parents. Sorry, they almost said. We think this is a picture of a swing in Henry's backyard. So obviously this must be Mom, Dad, and Henry. But first they looked at their house with no brothers and sisters. Then they looked at their street with no children. Then they looked at Henry's face. Then they looked at each other. Okay, they said. I want to hug you, Henry told his parents, and he did. So that's the end of the first chapter called Henry. So we summarize the first chapter in our composition book. You can find that summary on your Clever page inside the composition book for your group, the orange one for group 1, the green one for group 2.